Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 311. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. His hands were dirty because he played in the mud. B. His hands were dirty because he had been playing in the mud. C. His hands are dirty because he plays in the mud. D. His hands will be dirty because he will play in the mud. Correct answer, his hands were dirty because he had been playing in the mud. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 312. Which tense describes an action that will have been continuously in progress for a certain duration by a future point? A. By the time I retire, I will work for 40 years. B. By the time I retire, I will have worked for 40 years. C. By the time I retire, I will be working for 40 years. D. By the time I retire, I will have been working for 40 years. Correct answer, by the time I retire, I will have been working for 40 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Question number 313. Which tense is used for fixed habits and routines? A. My dog sleeps on my bed. B. My dog is sleeping on my bed. C. My dog slept on my bed. D. My dog will sleep on my bed. Correct answer, my dog sleeps on my bed. Simple present tense. Question number 314. Which tense describes a temporary action that is happening around the present, and is often a deviation from the usual? A. I usually commute by car, but I am taking the bus this week. B. I usually commute by car, but I take the bus this week. C. I usually commute by car, but I took the bus this week. D. I usually commute by car, but I will take the bus this week. Correct answer, I usually commute by car, but I am taking the bus this week. Present continuous tense. Question number 315. Which tense describes a single, completed action in the past, with a definite time frame? A. She cooked dinner last night. B. She cooks dinner every night. C. She is cooking dinner. D. She has cooked dinner. Correct answer, she cooked dinner last night. Simple past tense. Question number 316. Which tense is used for general predictions about the future? A. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. B. I think it is sunny tomorrow. C. I think it is going to be sunny tomorrow. D. I think it was sunny tomorrow. Correct answer, I think it will be sunny tomorrow. Simple future tense. Question number 317. Which tense is used for past actions that have a connection to the present, either by result or by experience? A. I have visited Paris. B. I visited Paris last year. C. I am visiting Paris. D. I will visit Paris. Correct answer, I have visited Paris. Present perfect tense. Question number 318. Which tense describes a past continuous action that was interrupted by a shorter, specific past action? A. While I read, the phone rang. B. While I was reading, the phone rang. C. While I have read, the phone rang. D. While I read, the phone rings. Correct answer, while I was reading, the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 319. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future? A. At 7 p.m. tomorrow, he eats dinner. B. At 7 p.m. tomorrow, he will eat dinner. C. At 7 p.m. tomorrow, he will be eating dinner. D. At 7 p.m. tomorrow, he is eating dinner. Correct answer, at 7 p.m. tomorrow, he will be eating dinner. Future continuous tense. Question number 320. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, emphasizing the sequence? A. When I woke up, the sun already rose. B. When I woke up, the sun had already risen. C. When I wake up, the sun rises. D. When I woke up, the sun was rising. Correct answer, when I woke up, the sun had already risen. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.